Well, we've got a nice day shaping up and a nice week as well.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's going to be dry, and we're going to start warming on up. This morning, as we're waking up, we have temperatures now that are coming in the 20s and 30s. But on our satellite and radar view, you'll notice that it's dry, and we don't have the cloud coverage this morning like we had yesterday. 29 degrees for our current temp at the airport. Light winds coming in from the north at 3 miles an hour across the area. You have a couple of low 20s up towards Bartlesville. Upper 20s if you're waking up in Coffeyville, Joplin, Grove. Mid 20s there in Tahlequah this morning, and then we're seeing this upper 20s, low 30s from Okmulgee to Muskogee and McAllister. Same for you, about 30 degrees. Now, yesterday morning, the eastern portions of Green Country were a little bit warmer than the rest because we had that cloud coverage that was sticking around for the better part of the morning. And so now with clear skies, temps have dropped, and you'll notice that those temperatures are a good 10 to 15 degrees cooler this morning than they were yesterday at this time. Winds will still stay relatively the same. So yesterday we had a north wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Today we'll look for the same thing out there. Same with future track, nice and quiet. We'll see sunshine as we head into the afternoon, and those highs today will be getting up into the upper 50s. So we'll see a high closer to about 59 in Tulsa, Okmulgee, McAllister. We'll see about 58 in Bartlesville later on today. Some mid-50s up towards Coffeyville and Joplin, and then off to the west, Ponca City and Stillwater, you'll be in the upper 50s as well. So it's going to be warmer all across Green Country, but it's still just a little bit cooler than average. 61 is our average high for this time of year. Now we'll see those temperatures warm as we head into Wednesday through the rest of the week. But for today, it's still going to be a little bit on the cool side. So this morning, take your jacket with you. Make sure the kids have the jacket too. Through 9 a.m. we're still going to be in the low 30s. It's not till our midday hour that our temperatures start to jump, and we'll be up to near 50 degrees by lunch with sunshine, and then afternoon that high will top off at about 59 degrees. Here's how it's looking then on the 7-day planner. We have upper 50s today, and then for tomorrow we're in the mid 60s, and then 70s expected for Thursday. By Friday, almost at 80 degrees, but now it looks like that front may move in a little bit quicker rather, bringing temperatures down just a little bit on Saturday. Look for about 66 for the high on Saturday, low 70s for Sunday. Increased chance for a few showers possible Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening, and then clearing out on Monday. By Monday, we'll be looking for temperatures to kind of hang there in the low 70s with a southwest wind 10 to 20 miles an hour.